What's up, YouTube? If you look closely, you would see that my face is peeling. I had a chemical peel done day before yesterday, and I have to go out. So I'm hoping that people don't scream and run when they find me outside because, can you see? My face is peeling. See the old skin coming off. So we are going to the Amazonia restaurant. We can't wait because I found this restaurant on CCM's channel. I promised my children I was going to take them there. They have been so excited. It is raining non-stop, you guys. It's raining and I don't know how today is going to go, but I just know that I need to take them there and get it out of the way and everybody just rest, But I was thinking I could cancel. I was telling my children, look, mommy's face is peeling. They said, mommy, you wear your face mask and it will be fine. You don't need to stay at home. So I am going to take them there. And Yana, what happened to your outfit? Okay. Anyways, we are going. I'm going to show you guys how the day goes, and hopefully the whole Lagos will be scared of my face. My peeling face. Ciao, ciao. So outfit check. Are you feeling my gown? Ooh, check that out. Man, the thing about traveling in Lagos when it rains or traveling on a weekend, where there are weddings, because trust me, nobody was getting married today. It was raining non-stop. Like, you guys, places that could be flooded were flooded. So the road was practically empty, no traffic whatsoever. Children got in, they were so excited. All the animals were like, oh my God, mommy, look at that gorilla, look at the apes, look at the crocodile, look at everything. They were so excited. And although it wasn't as pleasant as they thought it was going to be because of the rain, everywhere was just sticky and wet and just you know how it is going out in the rain. But as soon as they got in, they were like, oh my gosh, Mom, this place is beautiful. So they were excited, and all the complaining about the wetness just disappeared because it was so beautiful inside here. Just like everyone else has said, this place is magical for children. They were just touching and they were just excited, touching everything. Like, you guys, we met so many families. We met 4 families, also having a good time. It was around 1 o'clock. We had called earlier to schedule. So 10 minutes before arrival, I called Juliet. And, they started getting our food ready because I didn't want any wait time. But we still waited because, they just wanted to see us first. I don't know. They had this beautiful paperless system. So you scan your menu basically with a QR code and you have to have internet and it just appears on your screen. So the menu is very short, very limited. I will tell you, they really do not have kids in mind at all. They have a very small toilet. It wasn't clean at all. So we found the cleaner and told her to fix it because someone had used it and left it messy. Anyways, we washed our hands, came back, and, they gave us this really nice complimentary crispy thing that was really, really amazing. We had our fruit juices. Again, very limited menu, not enough juices. They only had pineapple, watermelon, and lemonade, I guess. So the children had lemonade, and me and Daddy had pineapple. They were hungry, and they were playing the Hunger Games because I told them you cannot eat before you come here. They only had, something small for breakfast, fruit, just 1 pancake. I was like, you guys don't come and eat and tell me you're hungry. So we ordered a bunch of stuff. Again, very limited menu. So many things on the menu were not available. they were saying, oh my god, it's because of the rain. So basically we were stuck with these items that you can see here. As you can see, we ordered some lamb, ribeye, short ribs, we ordered chicken, the carbonara pasta, we ordered wedges. So the children shared the short ribs. It was really delicious, tender. It was fork tender, so they were able to chew it. I really had high hopes for this lamb because of the review that CME gave, but let me just say it wasn't as tender as as you know she said it was. It was just there. I would rate this food just 7/10 because there's a lot of hype, but I'm a chef, okay? There's so many things that you expect, and then I just wasn't feeling some of the dishes, especially the lamb. And so we got ribeye for daddy. He had his steak medium rare. Wasn't feeling the tacos. You know, it was just there. The carbonara as well, it was just there. They didn't have bacon, so they used chicken, and then the chicken was so dry and very chewy, you know. So we had chicken. Most of the stuff we had to pack it up to go because the children just ate a couple of spoons and then they were like, I'm done. So they were really feeling it. I would say it's not a very baby friendly menu. They don't have a lot of baby stuff. The peas tasted like it had, like, I don't know, it tasted synthetic. I don't know, somehow it tasted like there's some sort of chemical on it. So they couldn't even eat the peas. And my son really loves peas. So we just left the peas and then they ate the rest. So we packed most of the food to go because we weren't feeling it. But they had a lot of fun. You guys, they played and played and played. We got our bill. It was 130,700 naira. That's about $317. Overpriced, if you ask me. Not as tasty as I would have loved it to be, but the compensation is that these children had a fun time. Like, they really played and enjoyed themselves. So yeah, I guess that's the compensation. An amazing scenery, amazing space. They really took their time to, you know, design this place. Every corner of this restaurant has something animal themed. The birds felt real. They felt like the feathers were so soft and so beautiful. So we were touching and in 30 minutes I was like, okay, time to go home. So yeah, that's me feeling myself. Is this an ape or a gorilla? Had his pee out with no pants. So this is me telling Amazonia, get some pants. I actually told the manager, get some pants, because these children were like, how could they leave him naked? I told them to take a picture with the penis out so that I could show the manager how inappropriate it was. Even the one hanging had his pee hanging as well. Very inappropriate. So we left there. Ooh, look at the fine babe. Oh my gosh. And then we went to Exo Bakery because the dessert at Amazonia was just very limited. They only had cheesecake. Can you imagine? And it was a very weird flavors. Okay, so we're at Exo Bakery and this is Alex. Okay. Hi. Say hi, Alex. You're saying hi to my YouTube because I'm trying to document.
Hi YouTube, how are you?
Yes,
Welcome to Exo Bakery.
Yay! So this is at the heart of VI. It is very beautiful.
I think I found the red one. Red.
This is my
Red cactus.
thing, the bakery.
Green cactus. Another green one.
This is my
So these two refuse to get. They're not touched.
yeah.
How
I
tough.
thought they were actually. It was a flower for the cactus.
Yeah, no. There are two separate cacti that have been
What?
fused together. Yeah.
But why are they different colors? Why do you
Because they're two different plants.
Why do you have nail polish?
On my phone.
You have
Do you like
paper.
it? You like it?
Oh my God. He has
So
tattoos as well.
I'll tell you why I have them. So it was my birthday about 3 weeks ago, and I wanted to do something crazy and different for my birthday. So I said I wanted to put some art on my nails, yeah? And I went to this lady and she painted my nails for me. But it's
That's
gel,
not just
so
nail polish though. It looks artistic. Like,
it's nail art, right?
what does it signify? I
So
see.
they're different things, yeah?
I see the this is for life, I guess.
Exactly.
Well, they're different patterns.
Exactly.
This is an electrogram.
Exactly. This is a raindrops.
This is
This
zodiac.
is
the smiley face.
This one's
It's,
this
it
is
is
a death
it is
face.
which one of the zodiac
Oh,
is
yeah.
it? You know? This is my zodiac sign. It's,
Look, it's a
Gemini.
death face. A
Oh.
death smiley face.
Good eye.
Look, it's a death smiley face.
Oh, really
Yeah.
interesting.
But then the
That's
part they don't
right.
tell you is that gel, you can't use
can't
nail
just,
polish
no,
to remove
you
it.
can't just
So
come.
now I have to wait until the whole thing goes, unless I go back and they use.
Is this how much your nail has grown?
Yes, my nails grow very quickly. But
Wow.
I take these vitamins. These
Biotin.
gummies.
You are
Vitamin
such a
gummies.
self-care.
What color is the packet?
Pink.
So, dessert to go. We all had something fun. Blueberry muffins, chocolate cake slices, chocolate chip cookies. And then I got my sourdough. I now have a new spot for sourdough, guys. I am going to review this bread and let you all know how it goes. But it looked really amazing.
I like the style. Thank you so much.
First, when we were coming here, I saw a dead cow, no skin, no head. So the inside of the head, really gross. And then when we went under the fridge,
You're in Nigeria. Next up, we went to the Noir Deli, just behind Exo Bakery. You guys, I found the spot for very cheap Parmesan cheese. I used to buy Parmesan cheese at Hubmart and Hartley's supermarkets. It's been very expensive there, but you guys, I bought Parmesan cheese of 17,000 naira, and it was actually a lot. It was a full block. It was really big. I don't know, try to see if you can find those two really big blocks for 17k. Not bad at all. I would have spent twice the amount buying the same thing off Hubmart or Hartley's. We also found cactuses, but we couldn't pay for them because they said they didn't have any POS machines and that we had to pay cash or we had to pay via transfer. I was like, what? We didn't have tokens, so I didn't want to go back to the car. I told them I was going to come back later. Children wanted the pink one. Anyway, so we had stayed out for about 4 hours plus, and I was already tired. And I was like, you guys, we'll come back. And that was it. So we left, and our total bill was 19k-ish for Exo Bakery. Not bad because we did get quite a number of things. And the deli was 20k. Going home now, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this vlog. I hope you all have an amazing week ahead. And yeah, that was how our day went. We went home and we slept. It was still raining. The rain did not stop. Oh my gosh, we all slept and I woke up and saw a movie.